Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I will show you guys how I did this movie poster design with Snapseed. So the only thing I did here mainly was just double exposure. So I downloaded 3 separate images and I tried them out with Snapseed. So this the main thing that actually took time here was the image research. It actually took a lot of time. So yes, you can see it now. You can see this is the original images before, and these are the effects, the images we added, and we blended it with Snapseed. So let's just jump right into it. So the first thing you need to do is to import your image, import the main image. So I'll just do that real quick. So once you're done importing that main image, all you need to do is to go to tools, that are down here, then click on double exposure here. Then when you click on double exposure, you click on the plus icon that has this image icon as well. So once you click on that, you're going to look for the first image. The first image which you used was this, the one with yes, this is it, the one with Optimus Prime that was fighting. So the main reason I went with this style was because I didn't want to create a poster that is actually not exactly what the movie says. So because the one I had in mind was not something like that. So when I researched, this was only the image that was coming out. The main one at the back, that was the only image for the Transformer Rise of the Beast. That was the only image that was coming out. So you just place this here. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Let's increase the opacity. Click on this icon here. Carry it all the way to the end. Click on check mark button there. So once you do that, click on this top icon there. Click on View Edit and click on double exposure. Then click on this icon here as well. So now it's time. Let's blend the image which is at the front. So we just do this. You're doing this gradually. All right. So let's just where is his hand? His hand is here. All right. Just okay. This is okay. I think I need to go up a little bit. Yes, this is okay. This is okay. Okay, this one is not showing perfectly. So this is what you just do. Like I said, this was kind of, I didn't want to even upload this tutorial. It was just kind of too easy, because I just felt like I didn't do anything at all. I'll be honest with you guys, it's not like the normal tutorial I did, but I'm still trying something out, recently with what's it called, with Snapseed. So this is it. Like I said, I wanted to create a movie poster that actually rhymes with the main real movie, the Optimus Prime image. Since it's 2023, there is this, the image that was used for this. If I was to use the old image to represent this current movie poster, I just thought that it wasn't going to be, it's actually not okay, since that's why I didn't do the tutorial I actually had in mind. So I didn't want the design to be just too plain and simple like that. So that's why I just added the other double exposure. So you click on you can go back to blend this as well. If you've watched my other movie poster design which you are seeing on screen, you know how we did this with Snapseed as well. So remember, this arrow that is pointing at the top is for the image this that is at the front, and the one at the back, this arrow pointing down, is for the image that is at the back. So you can see it. Let me just do this. So you can see this place is cleaning. So this is what it does. So I'll just take it back all the way to 100 so everything can be visible. So I'll just leave that at that. I'll click on the check mark icon here. Let's go back a little bit to import our next image. Click on tools again, click on double exposure again, click on this icon here, down here, then look for that second image. Okay, this is it. So this is it. I'll zoom out. Okay, I think it's okay. Let's just keep on going. All right, I think it's okay. Take it to the down. Yeah, this is okay, I think. Increase your opacity. Click on the check mark icon. All right, I'll click on this top icon here. I'll click on View Edit. So I'll click on the second. Okay, this is it. I'll click on this, the first one at the top, double exposure at the top. I'll click on this middle icon here. So it's at 100 already. You can see it at the down here. It's at 100. So we'll start by doing this. We don't want all the areas to be visible. Okay, this is okay. Yes. Let's do the next part. Okay, this is okay. Let me just do this all the way to the end. And this is this. Yes, this is okay. Okay, this is it. So you can reduce this the edge. To clean out the edge, you click on the arrow that is facing down. So I will not move it all the way to 0. Let's just use 25 so that this the original image, these two guys that are fighting at the down, will still be visible. The more you reduce it for that down area, the more the up area will be clear. So that is how. Okay, I think I can see some mistake here. Just hold on. All right, and let me check this out. Okay, yes. I saw something there. So I just cleaned that. I've cleaned that out. I took it all the way to 0. So that's why you can't see anything. If I bring it all the way back to 100, oh sorry, okay. If I bring it all the way back to 100, you can see it. So I'll just take it back to 0 and clean this, clean this, clean this, clean this, clean this. Okay, you can just take your time. It's actually took time. Let me take it back to 100 and touch this edge a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, that's that, that's that, that's that, that's that, that's that. All right. Okay, let me go back. Okay, so you can see that this is it, what we had from our the one you saw from the YouTube thumbnail. So that is that. So all you need to do now is to save your design and then go to Pixellab to add your text. So I'll just save this real quick. All you need to do is click on export and click on save. So I already saved mine already. So once you save that, you can watch the tutorial on screen to learn how to use Remini to enhance your image. I used Remini to enhance this a little bit. It was not too obvious, but it's actually helped. So you can watch that tutorial on screen. The link is in the description box below. So you watch that and learn how you can use Remini to enhance your images. So that is that for the main little double exposure with Snapseed. So let's go to Pixellab now and add our text. I'll see you guys right now in Pixellab. So all you need to do now is to import that design which you just made. So you can see mine here. This is it. The size for this is 1080 by 1350. So all you need to do, you can actually yes, just do that. Just do that. Input the size and then resize this till it comes out to fits this page, and then just centralize this and put it all the way to the back. Okay, it's already at the back. So the next thing you need to do is to do this. Just so done. I'll place this in front. Let's see if it's locked. Okay, it's not locked. Do this. All you need to do is to select the shape, go to shape, select the shape. Then once you've selected the shape, go to gradient, click on the plus icon here. I've said this many times, so now you can get this. You the first part, this part of the gradient is black. Then for this part is initially is going to be here. So you move this all the way to the middle. You click on this drop icon here. You then move this last gradient to this end, so that you get a transparent. There will be nothing there. So that is that for that. You click on OK. So you get this. This is what you get. So once you've done that, just move this all the way down here. Then once you I've done that, move that down, duplicate it. I did that 3 times. I duplicated it 3 times. So once you duplicated it 3 times, just move it here. Okay, as long as you just anyway that you're okay with. Okay, you can see the transformer that is here. Actually, I forgot that I deleted it from my phone. The one that is on the screen here is not the one I this one has only one image that was used for double exposure. So after doing that, you import your transformer text. So everything will be in the description box below, or I think it will be in the PLP file. So you do that. The size for this is 6328. So once you've done that, you centralize it, just bring it down all the way here. And the next one is the text. So hold on, just hold on. I'll bring this all the way to the front. The text size is 12. The text size is 12. I increase the line spacing. The line spacing for the letters is 13. And the font that was used for this is Conex. Yes, that's correct. Everything will be in the description box below. So that is the font that was used for that. That's the font that was used for that. So this is it, guys. This is it. So you can actually we're still learning double exposure. So this is how you can use the double exposure tool in Snapseed to create a little poster design by just blending images together. So I hope that this helped. If you did, can you like, share, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell for more. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Stay safe.